Hi guys, if you find a strange white-brown coating or foam on the engine oil filler cap, this is an emulsion of water and oil. It poses no danger to the internal combustion engine. This is a normal condensate, liquid formed by condensation of gas or vapor. Where does it come from? Of course, from the humid air that enters the engine. That's why white bloom often occurs during the cold season. It's another matter if it appears on the dipstick itself for measure the oil level. This is to say that the cylinder head gasket is punctured. In this case, the antifreeze enters the one of the cylinder and mixed with the oil. Without having passed a couple of kilometers, the engine stalls. If the gasket is punctured in small amount and often passes, then the engine will not start well, there will be interruption in the movement, there will be white smoke from the exhaust systems. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, I want to tell a little about the M111 engine with a volume of 2 liters. Here 136 horsepower. It seems too small to many and they spend money to chipping it and purchasing a turbine and compressor, but the best option would be to replace the motor with a large one. Friends, for the whole time of exploitation nothing was done on it. The oil filter and candles were changed. 2 coils for 4 cylinders, wires and the candles themselves cost a penny. The chain runs 250,000. All the downsides, friends, of all the time, the cylinder head gasket was replaced, and that was my fault. The radiator leaked liquid, the motor overheated as a result, of which the gasket broken. The engine is very reliable and economical. Fuel consumption 10-11 liters city, highway less. Oil needs to be added 4 liters. If compared with a 2.4 engine, where 8 liters are needed, it turns out cheaper. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, to check the engine when buying a car or just to check the condition, first you need to start the engine and increase the revs. If there are external sound, then there are problems. Further, we unscrew the cover on the engine, and it should be not thrown away. It should be retreated. If it's thrown away, then the gas from the combustor chamber breaks through and the pistons cannot keep. Then we unscrew the cover again, and if there are large quantities of the oil splashes, then there are problems in the engine. In small quantities, it's acceptable. Then we check the smoke from the muffler. If it's black or bluishy, then the engine costs money. Remove the cover on the engine, and there should be not small deposit on the cover itself, and check the color of the smoke coming from the neck. If it's white, it means normal. If it's black or bluishy, then the engine is up oil. You can also check the carbon deposit on the exhaust pipe with your finger. If there's a little carbon or just dirt, this is the normal. In other case, there's a problems. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, if you have never washed the engine after changing the oil, or have recently bought a car and don't know exactly the condition of the engine, or water has mixed with oil, then it would be better to rinse it. Then there are many means for this, such as 5-minute remedies. They are poured into the oil that will change, and you will need to wait for a while. Then we drain the used oil and replace it with a new one. There are also soft oil. They are poured into the oil in the engine and it removes varnish and fresh deposit without harming the engine. And the last cleaning method is cleaning oils. You need to completely drain the used oil, then add the cleaning oils in full and drive on it. Then with drain and change to a new oil. Same also wash the engine with diesel fuel. Pour it into the place of oil and start the engine. You can't do that at all. The engine after this procedure is not completely cleaned. Only fresh plug, varnish turn from parts and that's it. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.
Sırtıyla var, bu var.